Okay folks, so it seems that the DJI Fly app is going to be getting updated once again, and they have been pushing these updates out very regularly, it seems, recently. The current version, if you're on iOS, is 1.2.5 and on Android is 1.2.4 with build 920 in place. But it seems we are all about to be moved over to version 1.3. So if you go to this particular link at the DJI website right now, it will actually show that version 1.3 is now available. However, when I've tried to download version 1.3, it still only gives the option for the current version, so 1.25 or 1.2.4. Just to interrupt for a brief moment while I show you the process, and you can actually keep an eye on this yourselves going forward so that when it becomes available, you should know fairly quickly. Head into that particular website I linked on my Android device. You can see that we can see version 1.3.0 as the available update to download, and incidentally, this does not update the recommended devices to include the latest generation of phones. But when I go ahead and select the download for Android option, it still wants us to download version 1.2.4, build number 920. So as you can see, the web page itself is updated to reflect the fact that the app is going to be updated, but the actual download file itself has not been. Obviously, I couldn't really get the Apple link to work on my Samsung device, but I did try it on my iPhone, and again, it was just trying to give us the version we already had installed. But like I say, guys, just keep an eye on this page, and then when the app is updated, you should be the first to know. However, one of the things you might note with this DJI Fly update version 1.3 is that it now lists the FPV drones as compatible with the app. Now, this is important because there have been a lot of rumours, even leaks around lately, that DJI are going to be announcing a new FPV drone actually just tomorrow, so March the 2nd, and this certainly gives credence to those particular rumours and leaks. I suspect that we won't actually get the version 1.3 release out until the FPV drone that I mentioned is actually released, so that people aren't making videos of it in action before DJI really want them to do so. In fact, I would say it's all but confirmed at this point that their new FPV drone is going to be announced, and this app update is being put in place so that it can be ready for those that purchase that drone and want to be able to use it with the DJI Fly app. However, it's very possible there are going to be other updates for those of us that are going to be using the Mini 2, for example, or perhaps the Air 2, other drones that are compatible with the DJI Fly app. So there may be more stability improvements. A few people have still been mentioning that their apps have been crashing whilst they've been using them. I've not had that issue myself, but I do believe it was improved in the latest updates, but I have seen a few people over at the DJI forum still complaining about that. Hopefully that's an issue that is now fully resolved in 1.3. Of course, until we can actually get the app into our hands and test this thing out, we're not going to know for certain. But I will make sure to be keeping a daily eye on that page so that as soon as 1.3 becomes available, I will let you guys know. I will get it downloaded, I'll start running some tests, and we'll see how it performs, in my case with the DJI Mini 2. But also hopefully that will give an example and an idea for whichever drone you're using with the app as well. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I do have lots of plans for further DJI Mini 2 content, so I hope you guys will stick around for that. I will, as I say, keep you notified of the 1.3 app update when it becomes available. And until next time, happy flying everybody. Thanks for stopping by.